Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to study geotropism or gravitropism. The geotropism means the movement of the part of the plant shown in response to gravitational pull of the earth. Gravitational pull of earth is always acting vertically down. It is pulling the roots of a plant in downward direction, and roots of a plant, most of the plants move in the downward direction. So we say the roots of most of the plants show a positive geotropic movement. Geotropic moment, that is gravitational pull, even the gravitational pull is pulling even the stem downward, yet the stem moves in the upward direction. So we say the stem of the plants show negative geotropic moment. There are some plants called mangroves. These are the plants that grow in swamps near the sea. And the respiratory roots of these plants, also called pneumatophores. Pneumatophores or respiratory roots of the mangroves, which are the bush-like plants growing in the swamps near the sea, they show negative geotropic movement. Means they move in the upward direction against the gravitational pull of the earth. The roots of these plants show negative geotropic movement, whereas in case of most of the plants, roots always show positive geotropic movements, but roots of this show negative geotropic movement. Then there are some plants in which this gravitational pull is acting vertically down, but organs of these plants go at right angles to the gravitational pull of the earth. Direction in which the gravitational pull is acting is vertically down, and the organs of these plants move or grow at right angles to this direction. And this is shown by this movement. Such movement is called diageotropic movement. Diageotropic movement, and this is shown by rhizomes and stolon. Yet there is another type of movement shown by the plant parts. When these plant parts are making some angle with the vertical line, or they are acting obliquely, or they are inclined with some angle with the vertical line. So such movement is called plagiotropic movement. Plagiotropic movement. And such movements are shown by the leaves of the plants, the lateral branches, secondary and tertiary roots. And yet there are some plant parts like coralloid roots of cycas. They are not at all getting affected by the gravitational pull of the earth. So they are called to show ageotropic movement or agravitropic movement. Here A means not. Ageotropic movement or agravitropic movement is shown by the coralloid roots of cycas, because when gravitational pull of the earth is acting as a stimulus, this movement is not at all affected. The movement of the coralloid roots of cycas plant is not at all affected by the gravitational pull of the earth. So they are said to show ageotropic movement or agravitropic movement. And the instrument called clinostat is the instrument which neutralizes the effect of the gravitational pull of the earth, and this is the instrument with the help of which we are able to tell which part of the plant shows negative geotropic movement and which part of the plant shows positive geotropic movement.